In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation and effect to text in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to make your text stand out with both static effects, like shadows and outlines, and dynamic animations that bring your designs to life. First, open your design in Canva, or create a new one with any template or custom size you like. Once your design is open, start by clicking on the text you want to edit. This can be a heading, a subheading, or a smaller body text box. When you click on the text, you'll notice a border appear around it and a toolbar at the top of the screen. This tells you the text box is active and ready to be customized. If you have multiple text elements, make sure you've selected the correct one before moving on. With your text selected, look at the options that appear above your design. Among the font, size, color, and alignment tools, you'll see a button labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a panel, usually on the left or just under the top toolbar, showing a range of text effects you can apply. These aren't animations yet, they're visual styles that change how your text looks even when it's not moving. From here, you can select the text effect that best fits your design. You might see options like shadow, lift, hollow, splice, echo, glitch, neon, or background, depending on the version of Canva you're using. Click on any effect to instantly apply it to your text. After selecting one, you'll typically get additional sliders and controls, such as intensity, direction, blur, or color. Take a moment to tweak these settings so the effect complements your overall design without overpowering it. Once you're happy with your static effect, it's time to add motion. With the same text still selected, look again near the top of the screen for a button labeled Animate. Click on Animate to open the animation options. This panel will show you different ways your text can appear, move, or disappear, such as fading in, rising, bouncing, typing, or sliding. Now, select the animation you want. Hovering over each option usually gives you a quick preview, so you can see how it will look before committing. Click to apply the one that feels right for your project. You may also see controls for animation speed, direction, or when it starts. Adjust these to match the pacing of your overall design or video. When you're finished, play back your design to review how the text effects and animations work together, and make any final adjustments until everything feels smooth and polished.